I'm still in shock. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can make money in a weird way. Like, I'm shocked. I'm going to be sharing with you guys weird ways by which you can make money. I'm telling the most unusual way to make money. If this is something you're interested in, stick around. I'm sure it's going to shock you. I'm telling you, super easy, incredibly lazy way to make money. If this is something you're interested in, don't sleep on it. Keep on watching this video all the way till the end. You know, on this channel, when it comes to how to make money as well as free money, this is your plug. If you're new to my channel, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I want to know, I want to feel you guys. Where in the world are you watching from? What is your name and what part of the world are you watching me from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. I see the love, you guys are blessed. Thank you for loving me as I am. Thank you so much for your incredible love and support. I see you guys and I appreciate you all from the depths of my heart. God bless you. Thank you. And if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, I know I'm hyper. More people were hyper already, so let me go ahead and introduce myself. Yells. While you guys introduce yourselves, so yeah, introduce yourselves in the comments. I want to know you. I want to, like, for real, I want to know you. I want to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? Yes, so let me introduce myself. My name is Mariam. I'm based here in California, United States. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer, and on this channel I bring to you guys all things money. Yes, if you want to make money, hey, I'm making money. We making money this year. Oh shit. You know, so yes, make sure that you join the family in case you have not joined the family yet. Like this video and share. Sharing is caring. I mean, I'm super excited to bring to you guys how to make money using this means. So come with me, guys. Let's go. And I'm sure it's gonna shock you. So even me, I'm still in shock. All right, guys, come with me. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, do you know that you can work as a pet psychic or animal communicator? I'm not kidding you. You don't have to be there in person. You can do it remotely. See, I'm not kidding you, say. So, do you have strong connection with animals? See, if you have a strong connection with animals and you believe that you can communicate with them, guess what? You can offer your services as a pet psychic or animal communicator. And I'm going to be sharing a website where you can offer your services and earn as much as you can charge. Yes, I've seen people earn as much as $60 per minute to talk to dogs or to give them messages from their dogs. You can even talk to living or dead animals. I'm not joking. Living or dead animals. Yes, like I was in shock too when I saw it. Guys, just keep following this. Yes, keep on watching all the way till the end. I'll be showing you exactly how to apply and the website where you can make this happen. So come with me, guys. Let's go. Guys, so do you know that some pet owners often wonder whether their pets know what they are thinking? So maybe your cat hides, whenever you start planning a trip or to the vet, or maybe your dog runs in circles when you think you're going to, when they think that you both are going out to play. Yeah, you're going out to play. So both of these events can have logical explanations, and your cat might have heard you pull the carrier off the shelf, and your dog might have seen you glance at your favorite ball and think that it's time to play. But of course, there's something called pet psychics. Yeah, and it's also known as animal intuitives or animal communicators. Yes, so you would explain these events a little bit differently. According to most pet psychics, you communicate with your pets telepathically, yes, all the time, yes, without even knowing it. I mean, you communicate without saying anything, without even giving, verbal or non-verbal communication. So they believe that when your cat hides or your dog is so excited, it's because you're communicated with your mind, not because of your actions. Your mind is telling them something. I'm telling you, I'm not kidding you. Do you know that you can make as much as $60 per minute? Go on that website and see what people are charging. I'm telling you. So you go there, register there as a pet psychic. Please make sure that you have you're an animal communicator. You have good rapport with animals, and you can pretty much discern what these animals are saying. I'm not saying everybody can go and apply there. Please make sure that you have you can really communicate with animals. Yeah. So that's one way to make money. Another weird way to make money that nobody's talking about is voice acting for talking toys. Yes. Guess what? You can also become a voice actor, yes, for talking toys. So if you have a unique or versatile voice, consider offering your services for voice acting in talking toys or gains. Guess what? You can also become a human billboard. Yes, some people actually rent advertising space on their bodies, on their clothing, on vehicles, display company or logos or advertisements. You can make money doing this. Another way to actually make money is, do you know that you can also sell your hair? Hey, if you have long healthy hair, you can sell it to wig makers and or individuals looking for natural hair extensions and make good money. I'm telling you. You can also make money as a virtual wedding guest. I'm telling you. See, with the rise of virtual weddings, you can offer your services as a virtual wedding guest or a virtual guest at any event. You can participate in the ceremony via video call. I'm telling you. And you can also make money as a professional cuddler. Yes, so I'm not kidding you. So some people actually offer their services as professional companions, as professional companionship, comfort, and platonic cuddling to clients who may be lonely or in need of emotional support. Yes. Yes. But here is a disclaimer. Yes. There are unusual ways to actually make money, and they can be intriguing and potentially rewarding, but they often come with some unique challenges. So it's essential that you thoroughly research and consider the risks associated with these unconventional money making ideas. If there are things that you're not comfortable with, please, by all means, you don't have to do it. There are so many other ways that you can make money that I also share on my channel, and I'll also be sharing a lot of ways to actually make money without leaving the comfort of your home. Yes, so if this video has blessed you, please share this video with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about these amazing opportunities. I mean, I have a lot of other opportunities that I'll be sharing with you guys on this channel. I have grants, yes, that I'll also be sharing with you, so make sure that you stay connected. I mean, make sure that you also introduce yourselves if you have not introduced yourselves. Yes, what are you waiting for? Introduce yourselves in the comments. I want to know you. What is your name and where in the world are you watching from? You know Mariah has always got you covered. And of course, I will see you guys in my next video. If anyone is doubting how far you can go, please go so far that you can't even hear them anymore. Of course, I will see you guys, my lovelies. And by the way, if you want to join my Patreon membership, first and foremost, I want to say big thank you to all my Patreon members, my Patreon members. If you want to be part of the inner caucus, you want to be a part of the inner community or my community, my insiders, go ahead and join my Patreon community. Guess what? Part of the perks of being a member is that you can also book a free consultation with me. When you join my Patreon community, I will send you a message. I will email you or get it across to you how you can talk to me one-on-one, how we can have an appointment together. So of course, we are winning and winning real big. This channel, we are winning real big. So of course, I'll see you guys in my next video. But till then, keep winning and keep sparking. And if no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you are amazing, you're sweet, you're gorgeous, and I am super duper proud of you. Alright guys, take care of yourselves and go to express, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. I love you.